Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Wish Week, and yes, let's move on with the Kid Laroi Never Came Back. Before we move on to this one, I want to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. You have to go and visit there and perhaps consider subscribe to my channel because I need your help. And I hope you did that already. Verity again, you are the one who wished for this song. Never Came Back. And if you haven't done that already, subscribe to my new channel. I ask you to do that right now. So thank you so much. Now let's move on with this song, and it's great. The Kid Laroi, I heard this before. It's new on this channel, so let's move on with the tutorial. We have capo on third. Okay, that is the best setup for us. So put that on there. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with E minor 7. E minor 7 goes open E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. So all strings open except from that second A. We have D next, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Let's move on to C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G as well. The chorus, and you're gonna play third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally we have the B minor, which is a bar chord. You place ending finger on the second fret, 5 strings from bottom up like this, then add fourth D, fourth G, and third B. And that's it. 5 chords. Now we have a strumming, and if you grab the first chord, it's the E minor 7. Almost nothing to grab, you just hold that second A. Now you're gonna play like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, a short pause, and then comes up, down, up, down. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down. That is 1 round. A couple of rounds goes like this. And that could be a little bit hard to get all these ups and downs, especially since it ends on down and then starts again on down, so you have to go back quickly to start over a new strumming pattern. And sometimes, mostly it's played like this, but sometimes it's played only down, up, down, up. And you just skip that last down, and that will be like this. And it's much easier to play that strumming. Okay, and I think, like I said, the first version is played more than this, but both of them are used here in this song. Okay, so have that with you. Consider to do that easier version if you wish. At least start with that. So with that said, let's go into the actual song. We're gonna play the first verse, actually the first 2 verses. So 1 chord progression round in the verse is played E minor, 3 string rounds, D, 1, C, 3, and D, 1. You're gonna play 4 of these per verse. So, per verse. It's a very bad word in this, but still, you understand what I mean. 4 chord progression rounds for every verse. That is what you're gonna play. So, that means 1 round goes like this. Okay? Or with the easier version of strumming, goes like this. Okay, so 4 of these is 1 verse, and then you jump into the second verse right after. So at least 8 rounds is what you're gonna play if you skip the intro. So 8 rounds of that: E minor, D, C, and D. Okay, that is the verse play before we hit the first chorus at 1 minute and 10 seconds in. And yeah, the lyrics, you waited, but I never came back. That's where I'm in the lyrics. No, we're gonna start with G. You're gonna play 1 string around, then D, 1, E minor, 1, B minor, 1, C, 3, and D, 1. And that's it. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. Second round starts right there, and that is the chorus play. And from now on, there's not much to learn from This tutorial, it's just repetition because the third verse is played in the same way as the first two, but you're gonna play it only for 2 rounds, not 4, 2 rounds, okay? That's that, and then you're gonna hit the second chorus, and you're gonna play that exact same way as the first one, but the opposite now. Instead of playing 2, you're gonna double up. So you're gonna play 4 rounds in this second chorus. After the second chorus, you're gonna hit the outro play, and you're gonna play right after the second chorus, and that is to play the verse play for 4 rounds. And that, my friends, especially you, very TGAM or something like that, you are welcome. The Kid Laroi never came back was for you. So hope you enjoyed it, and all you Laroi fans out there. Hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.